case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The California Air Resources Board, ARB, previously approved a plan to reduce the state's greenhouse gas emissions without fulfilling a necessary environmental review, which led to a subsequent court case. The ARB's initiative, referred to as the Climate Change Scoping Plan, promised to align with the state's efforts to combat climate change. However, its initiation was met with complication in court due to this procedural oversight. The Association of Irritated Residents challenged the board's decision in court, alleging that the ARB did not properly consider public health and environmental justice implications in their implementation plan for the state's agricultural sector. In addition, the group claimed the ARB failed to adequately fulfill the requirements set out by Assembly Bill 32. The lower courts took initial action on the ARB's failure to complete the environmental review, ordering the board to reverse its certification of the final environmental document and to halt further implementation of the plan. Furthermore, the court withheld approval of the plan until the relevant deficiencies were corrected. Upon appeal in 2012, the Court of Appeal of the State of California had a different perspective on the case. They ruled in favor of the ARB, stating that the board's adoption of the Climate Change Scoping Plan in 2009 was not careless or arbitrary. The court concluded that the ARB's plan was indeed in alignment with the California Global Warming Solutions Act of 2006, also known as Assembly Bill 32. Following this decision, the court dismissed the claims made by the Association of Irritated Residents, ruling that the ARB had considered public health and environmental justice matters appropriately in their assessment measures for the agriculture sector. This decision provided a definitive resolution to the ARB's case and confirmation of its adherence to the requirements of Assembly Bill 32.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class